Back here for another tasting. We got our Prairie Fresh pork tenderloin that was done with southern twang in our pork rub, so it's a twang thing.
That's right.
So what we're doing, we're gonna go ahead and finish slicing this and get a couple tastes. See how she goes. What do you say we get started on some pork tenderloin from Prairie Fresh? One of our favorite cuts, right?
Super lean, super yummy, and
it's inexpensive.
Inexpensive to
favorite
feed a
thing.
family.
So all I'm really looking to do is take this fat off. I don't want a bunch of fat and silver skin on it. Usually a sharp knife and just skin it. Super simple, super quick. Not really worried about shape today. If I was gonna serve this in like a competition or a People's Choice, I'd probably shape it up a little bit and get rid of some of these sharp edges like that. We're gonna get all this nasty stuff off here. What's your word for that? Goodgy?
It's goodgy. It's the goodgy,
Goodgy
not
stuff.
good fat. It's not the stuff that's gonna render and taste good.
The good thing about a pork tenderloin, there's not a lot on it, so you can really have this done in minutes and ready to cook.
And there's so many different ways you can use a pork tenderloin.
Oh, we're just showing you one way.
Oh, for
Like
sure.
this is one of our favorites. Last year we were doing, what was it? Operation Barbecue Relief. They gave us Prairie Fresh pork tenderloins. And so this is pretty much what we did last year on a pork tenderloin to get it perfect for the judges. They loved it. We came home with some nice trophies from there. So in the background, you'll see that we have our smoke box. It's a Hurtado smoke box built by Hooray. We've got her running about 500 degrees right now. I'm gonna open this up here in a minute and we're gonna start grilling on it. For the seasoning, we're gonna use the Smokin' Magic pork rub. Use whatever you like. This is what we like. Pretty heavy amount. This has got just a great sweet flavor. Lots of good sugar in it. Paprika.
And we've got pepper.
Pepper. We put MSG in it? I'm just kidding. Let's give her a good coat, pat her in, let her sit for a minute, and then we're gonna get her on the smoke box. Doctor! We're ready to get these Prairie Fresh pork tenderloins on the smoker. Rub is like super sweaty. Oh, so good. We're looking to get these to an internal temp at about 135 to 138 to carry them over to a 140 to 143 to get that perfect pork cut. So we're gonna do a lot of flipping and moving and turning and saucing. We're gonna build a bark on these. So this whole process, stay tuned. Like Popeye, the Sailor Man. Arr, arr. This much smoke, Cheech and Chong should be a sponsor.
You still got your Popeye face. You just.
I think I burnt my lungs. All right, it's been on for about 5-6 minutes. Starting to build that bark. Oh yeah, there we go. Now the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna start taking our southern twang. This is an apple cider vinegar based barbecue sauce that works so great on pork. Pour a little bit on here. We're gonna start basting it onto our pork. And what we're doing is we're building a bark. You're gonna start seeing this color.
Look at the color,
start
baby.
popping on this thing. Woo!
She pretty.
So we're caramelizing the sugars in the sauce, and we're making this beautiful mahogany bark is what we're gonna do. And then we'll get her to about 135 to 138. Somewhere in there is usually where I'm looking at. I'm gonna go by feel a little bit. We're gonna get it off, get it resting for about 15-20 minutes, and slice it up and eat it. These things are so good, I can't wait. All right, so now it's a lot of flip and toss here. That's what we're looking for. See how she starts caramelizing right here? You gotta take a moment, sound to listen to that sizzle. Oh, smoke in the eye, baby. Oh, I just love you so much. Just keep building, just keep building. Got that stuck in my head, just keep saucing, just keep saucing. It's like painting Norman Rockwell here. Americana. That's where I have to fight the urge and I have to leave it alone.
So how long of a total cook would you say this is, hun?
Probably closer to 15 to 20. Just it really depends on how hot you're cooking. I never really gauge a temp when I'm cooking open flame. I just gauge by feel and I let the meat tell me.
And then we're resting for about 15 to 20 on
Yeah.
these.
Yeah.
So your rest time really depends on the size of the meat that you're cooking. So like if you're cooking an average steak, it's about 10 to 15 minutes. These guys are a little bit bigger than that weight-wise. So we're gonna probably go 15 to 20 minutes. The tri-tips are 30 to 40 minutes, all the way up to like your briskets that are, well, we prefer like 3-hour hold, so.
They're feeling firm, but I'm gonna say they're, should we guess the temp?
Go for it.
Do the price is right.
Price-
Temp is right.
Okay, let's see.
I'm gonna, hold on. Ooh, she's about 93. Ooh, 95, that's close.
Boom, shakalaka, baby.
It's a gift.
And no, he did not cheat. He did not do that before.
So when you guys hear me talk about, you can really feel the firmness of the meat. The firmer it gets, the more done it is. And so that's why you see me out here with my gloves handling this meat, because I can feel it. I don't have to sit there and poke it constantly with a thermopen or whatever kind of temperature probe you use. I do recommend having a good temperature probe to get your final temp, but you can feel it to get you to close to that area. Oh, this is getting hotter than hell.
So Brad right now is wearing cotton gloves on the bottom with nitrels over the top. That allows him to be able to touch the meat and move and handle the meat. You definitely have to have the nitrels on top of the cottons. If the cottons get wet, it will be as if you're not wearing any. So that will allow you to flip and turn and feel the meat with your hands instead of using tongs. It's just kind of a personal preference too of what you like and what you're comfortable with.
So what I'm doing now is I'm just searching for hot zones on the grill and moving this around. I don't want to keep putting it back in the same spot. When you see that dark charring, that we really don't want that burnt char, it's when I start putting it back on the grill in places where there's already burnt charred particles on the grate. So I'm going to move it around to fresh parts throughout so I don't get that. Give it a little more twang. It's a twang thing. There should be a song. There should be a country song about it's a twang thing.
There might be. We need to look it up.
Look at that. Ooh. Oh. So pretty. Ooh. Sizzle, sizzle. There she is. 136. We're going to pull them. It's going to wait
hot.
about 20 minutes. And then we're going to slice them up. Back here for another tasting. All right, so we got our Prairie Fresh pork tenderloin that was done with southern twang in our pork rub, so it's a twang thing.
That's right.
So what we're doing, we're gonna go ahead and finish slicing this and get a couple tastes and see how she goes. So I like to
Beautiful. Look how juicy. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
I like to slice them, you know, about a 1/16 of an inch to an 1/8 of an inch. We'll let Miss Bre give her a try.
Yeah. It's so juicy and so good.
Very good. You guys like and subscribe our channel. More videos like this to come. If you have ideas of stuff you want to see us cook, hit us up. Let us know what you want to see. Let us bring it to you.
Also, we've had a few people comment and ask about the cutting boards that we're using. So these cutting boards here, you can find them on Instagram at GBC Kansas City. They can pretty much customize and do whatever you want, and they have the gamut of options available. So check them out as well. I think Max needs to try a piece. What do you think?
What do you think, Max? Come here. Come here. Think set.
Good boy.
Come here. Come here.
Oh,
We're gonna do that. Give me some paw. There you go. Okay.
Good job. You like that one? You can do these for like pork slider sandwiches. You could just eat it like it is. We've made like pork fried rice with it. You could make, you can do egg rolls. You could really do so many different things with it. And then you're gonna put a little juice on there, baby? Is there any? Yeah.
Sometimes there is a little juice left over. Good thing is we got a whole nother one of these to slice.
Oh yeah, look at that. Yummy goodness right there. Oh yeah.
The Breism.
Yummy goodness. I call it like I see it.
Y'all, thank you for watching our videos. Hope you enjoy it. Once again, let us know if there's something you want to see us cook, and we'll do our best not to mess it up and show you how we do it.
Yum.
Later. Gotta do my hooray flex.